Buddhāvataṃsaka, Flower Ornament Sutra, Chapter 1, The Wonderful Adornments of the Leaders of the Worlds. The space spirit, unhindered light flames, found the door of liberation of the light of great compassion, rescuing all sentient beings from danger. The space spirit, unobstructed conquering power, found the door of liberation, entering into the power of all virtues, free from attachment. The space spirit, spotless light, found the door of liberation, able to cause the minds of all beings to remove their veils and become pure. The space spirit, deep and far-reaching sublime sound, found the door of liberation of the light of knowledge, seeing everywhere. The space spirit, all-pervading light, found the door of liberation, manifesting everywhere without moving from its own place. At that time, the space spirit, pure light shining all around, imbued with the power of the Buddhas, surveyed all the space spirits and spoke the following verses. The vast eye of the Buddha is pure and clear as space. Seeing all beings with complete clarity, the great light of the Buddha body illumines the 10 directions, manifesting in every place. Traveling everywhere sees this way. The Buddha body is like space. Unborn, it clings to nothing. It is ungraspable and without inherent nature. This is seen by wind of good omen. The Buddha, for countless eons, has expounded all holy paths, destroying barriers for all beings. Sphere of perfect light understands this. I observe the enlightenment practices accumulated by the Buddha in the past, all to make the world at peace. Beautiful top-knot works in this sphere. Sentient beings are veiled by ignorance, wandering on dangerous paths. The Buddha emanates light for them. Spotless light realizes this. Knowledge and wisdom have no bounds, appearing in every land with light illumining the world. Sublime sound sees Buddha here. Buddha, to liberate beings, cultivates practices everywhere. This grandiose will, universal manifestation can observe. Furthermore, the wind spirit, unimpeded light, found the door of liberation, entering into all the Buddha teachings and all worlds.